Hello friends, welcome to Institute of Banking Excellence. Today we are going to talk about third bi-monthly monetary policy 2019-20. Before starting the video, if you like it, please press the like button, share and subscribe it with your friends. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Highlights. 1. Repo rate cut 35 bits per second. Benchmark repo rate 5.40. Lowest since April 2010. 2. Reverse repo rate stands at 5.15. 3. MSF rate stands at 5.65. 4. GDP growth rate estimated to be at 6.90% during 2019-20 is against previous projection of 7.00%. Repo rate and its significance for general public. Repo rate is the rate at which banks can borrow from Reserve Bank of India on overnight basis. It is referred to as anchor rate. RBI makes all-out endeavor to ensure movement of interest rates in the economy around this anchor rate. RBI expects that rate cut made in policy shall be passed by the banks to end consumers, that is with cut in policy rate lending rates for MSMEs, housing loans, vehicle loans etc. shall get reduced commensurately. However, banks are always slow to pass on these gains to the customers. Effects of rate cut. The rate cut in policy shall help on lowering the borrowing cost of funds. The lower cost of funds will lend viability to economic project, and it shall induce and propel the entrepreneurs to make more investment. The rate cut is therefore used by the monetary authorities to augment and stimulate growth in economy. Why 35 bits per second cut? 1. Slowdown in global economic activity, trade tension, geopolitical uncertainty. 2. Weak economic activity in major emerging economies. 3. Sharp reduction in crude prices since May. 4. Inflation at 3.2% in June. The first two factors required that policy rate may be cut so that economic activity may be stimulated, whereas the last two factors provide breathing space for taking decision to cut the rate. If the crude prices are down and inflation is under control, it becomes easy for the monetary authorities to introduce rate cut. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stay tuned for the next one. Till then, bye and stay blessed.